The 2027 Mazda 3 is arriving with fixes for every complaint that has followed this car for years, and for a compact that was already considered the best in class, that's a significant statement. If you've been eyeing the Mazda 3 but kept holding off because of nagging issues like poor rear visibility, aging tech, and an interior that never quite got the practical upgrades it deserved, this new model is built specifically to remove every reason you had for walking away. The 2027 Mazda 3 is arriving with targeted improvements that make the strongest compact in the segment even harder to argue against. Perfecting the look. Here's something you don't often hear about a 7-year-old car. It still turns heads. The Mazda 3's design has aged in a way that most compact cars simply can't. Clean lines, a sculpted hood, a silhouette that looks like it costs far more than it does. That's been this car's calling card since day one. So, when the 2027 update arrives, don't expect a dramatic overhaul. Mazda isn't fixing what isn't broken. What is changing is worth paying attention to. The front face is getting a rework, subtle but noticeable. Think of what Mazda recently did with the new CX-5. Sharper headlights that wrap more aggressively around the grille, a revised bumper treatment, and cleaner surfacing across the hood. The 2027 Mazda 3 is heading in the same direction. More precise, more premium feeling, without abandoning what made this car stand out in the first place. The overall shape, that flowing profile, those sculpted rear fenders, is staying exactly where it is. While rivals like the Corolla and Civic lean toward practical geometry, the Mazda 3 has always carried itself more like a sports sedan than a family compact. The 2027 model will reinforce that identity, not retreat from it. A sharper look is a strong start, but a great face means nothing if what's under the hood can't keep pace. And what Mazda is planning for the powertrain may be the most forward-looking part of this entire update. New powertrain options on the horizon. Right now, the Mazda 3 runs on two variants of its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. The naturally aspirated version produces 186 horsepower, available with either a 6-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual on select trims. The turbocharged variant pushes output to 250 horsepower, paired with all-wheel drive and the automatic. Both units are smooth, refined, and genuinely enjoyable to use. The 2027 model is carrying the same lineup forward. That said, anyone thinking long-term should take note. Something significant is in development. Mazda is working on a completely new generation of gasoline engines under the Skyactiv Z name, a ground-up rethink of how a gasoline engine burns fuel. Most drivers have felt it at some point, filling up more often than expected, watching fuel costs climb with nothing to show for it in terms of performance. That frustration is exactly what Mazda is engineering against. The Skyactiv Z is being built around what Mazda calls Lambda 1 combustion, a method that achieves an ideal air-to-fuel ratio during the combustion cycle. In plain terms, the engine burns fuel more completely than conventional designs allow, meaning more energy goes to the wheels and less goes to waste. Mazda has described the expected results as unprecedented efficiency, and coming from the company that pioneered Skyactiv G, that phrase carries real weight. A hybrid pairing is also under discussion, either a Toyota-derived system or Mazda's own in-house setup currently being developed for the next-generation CX-5. For the 2027 model year, the 2.5-liter carries the torch. But the powertrain story is only beginning. And while the engine news is compelling, what Mazda is doing inside this car might be the change that owners feel most every single day. Interior updates. Spend a few minutes in the Mazda 3 cabin, and comparisons to vehicles costing $10,000 more become easy to understand. The interior has always been this car's strongest argument, built on leather-trimmed surfaces, carefully chosen materials, and an ergonomic layout that most luxury brands would be proud to claim. That reputation isn't changing with the 2027 model. What Mazda is targeting this time is something more specific. Practical fixes, not aesthetic ones. Anyone who drives the hatchback regularly knows the feeling. You're backing out of a parking space, turning your head to check the gap, and that thick C-pillar sits directly in your line of sight. It happens every single day, and it's been the single most consistent criticism from hatchback owners since this generation launched. Mazda is addressing this directly with the 2027 update. Solutions are expected to involve revised pillar geometry, expanded camera coverage, or a combination of both, giving drivers the confidence that's been missing in tight situations. Beyond the visibility fix, new color schemes and material combinations are arriving as well. Fresh interior finishes, updated stitching options, and color-contrasted trim combinations are adding more personality to an already distinctive cabin. Upper trims are expected to receive further upholstery refinements, continuing the Mazda 3's tradition of delivering near-luxury quality at a compact car price. The cabin improvements are real and meaningful, but if you think a better interior is all Mazda has been working on, the technology updates coming to the 2027 model are going to reframe what you expect from a compact car at this price. New tech features. The infotainment situation in the Mazda 3 has always invited debate. The rotary controller works well once learned, menus are logically laid out, and the display sits high enough to check without looking away from the road. But rivals have been stacking larger screens and faster connectivity options, and the gap has become harder to overlook. That's being addressed with the 2027 update. Think about how often you reach for your phone because the car's system is too slow to respond, or because wireless connectivity simply isn't available. It's a small frustration, but it adds up on every commute. The 2027 Mazda 3 is closing that gap. Improved graphics, faster processing, and a more refined menu structure are all coming. Standard models will continue with an 8.8-inch display, while upper trims are moving toward a larger unit with enhanced touch capability. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are expanding further across the range, removing the cable dependency that has been a persistent limitation on lower configurations. Is Mazda going the route of all-digital, screen-dominated dashboards? Based on everything known so far, the answer is no. Mazda's design philosophy, keeping the driver focused and limiting visual noise, is staying intact. On the safety front, automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control remain standard across every trim. An available 360-degree camera system and parking sensors continue as options, especially relevant where rearward sightlines are limited. Every trim retains adaptive cruise control, including the manual transmission model, a genuine rarity in this class. The 2027 Mazda 3 isn't joining the technology arms race, it's updating with intention, and all of that intention comes with a price tag that, frankly, is going to surprise people. Release date and price. The 2027 Mazda 3 is on track to arrive later this year, with the transition from the outgoing generation expected to be smooth. On price, the news is equally straightforward. Don't expect a significant increase. Base versions are expected to start at around $26,000 to $27,000, landing very close to the current model's entry point. The sedan comes in slightly below the hatchback at equivalent trim levels, with the hatch carrying a premium of roughly $1,000 or more, depending on configuration. From there, the lineup climbs steadily, reaching approximately $38,000 for the most comprehensively equipped Turbo Premium Edition. That's a wider price window than most compact nameplates cover, and it speaks to the genuine range of buyers this car serves. For anyone weighing their timing, the calculation is clear. Buying the current model means purchasing the final version of a generation that Mazda itself is improving on. Waiting a few months means those improvements are built in from day one, at a price that's barely changed. The 2027 Mazda 3 is arriving as proof that a car doesn't need a complete reinvention to become more compelling. A sharper, more considered exterior picks up where an already strong design left off. The familiar 2.5-liter powertrain carries forward with the promise of something far more advanced waiting in the pipeline. The cabin, already the best in class, is getting the practical refinements that should have come sooner, with the rear visibility fix alone changing the daily ownership experience in a meaningful way. Technology is improving without sacrificing the focused, driver-first philosophy that separates this car from every screen-heavy rival in the segment, and all of it is arriving at a price that barely moves from where the current model sits today, which means the 2027 Mazda 3 isn't just solving old complaints. It's eliminating every reason there was to choose something else. Without any doubt, this update will cement Mazda 3's reputation as one of the best compact cars you can buy on today's market. If you want the same design approach but prefer crossovers, then the CX-30 stands as a natural choice, as it shares the majority of the parts with the Mazda 3. Make sure to check out our next video because it doesn't just explain why this subcompact crossover is such a great choice, but also walks you through trim levels and their key features, making your choice much easier.